Hi everyone! Today we're making Hobak Kimchi or fermented zucchini. All you need are gochugaru flakes, gochujang, rice vinegar, fish sauce, sugar, green onions or scallions, zucchini, garlic, and fresh ginger. Let's get started. First you're going to cut the zucchini into 2-inch rods. We're going to transfer these to a large bowl and then sprinkle kosher salt on them. We'll leave this for at least 30 minutes. Cut the green onions or scallions into 2-inch rods and then julienne. Peel the ginger with a spoon and then mince. Trim and mince your garlic. And then it's time to make the marinade. We're going to add all the ingredients into one bowl and then give it a good stir. After about 30 minutes, the zucchini has released all that water, so we're just going to give it a good rinse and then drain it. Make sure you wear gloves while you are working with the marinade here. Dump in all your scallions and then we'll mix this together. I'm going to transfer mine into a glass container, but you can transfer to whatever container you would like your final kimchi to live in. And then make sure to get all that good marinade juice inside. I'm going to seal the container and label it. We'll leave it at room temperature for 3 days to ferment. And then we're going to move it into the fridge where it will ferment for 1 month. After about 1 month, we have our finished kimchi. You can enjoy this as a side dish to any Korean barbecue, or just eat it on its own with some white rice. It's really delicious. Hope you enjoy, and thanks again for watching.